everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well, especially in these quarantine times. Salam SFD. Today we are going to learn about adverbial phrase. On the last meeting, I have told you about noun phrase and adjective phrase. And today, I will tell you about adverbial phrase. I want to tell you about the complete review, so join my class. Okay, our topic now is about adverbial phrase. On the last meeting, we have learned about noun phrase and adjective phrase. And now we will learn about adverbial phrase. Before we learn about this topic, I will tell you about the learning objective. Sebelum kita mempelajari topik adverbial phrase ini, saya akan menyampaikan tujuan pembelajaran. The first, yang pertama, siswa mampu memahami pengertian adverb phrase dengan gembira. Yang kedua, siswa dapat menyusun sebuah phrase dalam bentuk adverb phrase dalam sebuah kalimat dengan melakukan hal-hal positif. What is adverbial phrase? Apakah adverbial phrase itu? An adverbial phrase is a group of words that refines the meaning of a verb, adjective, or adverb. An adverbial phrase is a group of words that function as an adverb. An adverbial phrase don't contain a subject and a verb. Similar to adverbs, adverbial phrases modify other words by explaining why, how, where, and or when an action occur. Apa itu adverbial phrase atau sering juga disebut adverb phrase? Yaitu rangkaian kata yang memiliki fungsi sama dengan adverb untuk memberikan tambahan informasi kepada verb, adjektif, adverb lainnya, atau bahkan clause dalam sebuah kalimat. Seperti halnya adverb atau kata keterangan, suatu adverbial phrase juga dapat menerangkan verb, adjektif, maupun kata keterangan lain, serta juga dapat menempati berbagai posisi di dalam suatu kalimat. And there are sometimes types of adverbial phrases. Ada beberapa bentuk atau jenis dari adverbial phrases. The first is adverbs of time atau keterangan waktu. The second is adverbs of manner atau keterangan bagaimana melakukan suatu atau cara. And adverbs of place, keterangan tempat. Adverbs of frequency, keterangan mengenai frekuensi. And adverbs of purpose atau keterangan mengenai tujuan. Okay, let's take a look at the example. Number 1. He will finish his homework in 1 hour. Look at the example. The ball work is in 1 hour. In 1 hour is the adverbial phrase of time. Jadi kata yang bercetak tebal in 1 hour adalah contoh dari adverbial phrase of time. He will finish his homework in 1 hour. Dia akan menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumahnya dalam 1 jam. So, in 1 hour is the adverbial phrase of time. The second, Mom drives extremely slowly. The both words is extremely slowly. Extremely slowly is the adverb of manner. Look at the word of extremely. It is adverb of degree and slowly is adverb of manner. Extremely itu sangat, it is the same to very, so, yeah, and slowly is adverb of manner. Ibu mengemudikan dengan sangat lambat. Ibu mengemudi dengan sangat lambat. Okay, number 3. The students study at home. The both words is at home. At home is the example of adverbial phrase. It is about adverb of place. Jadi ini adalah contoh dari adverbial phrase of place. Ini contoh dari keterangan, frase keterangan untuk keterangan tempat. Siswa belajar di rumah. Okay, number 4. We have to consume healthy meals every day. The bold word is every day. Kata yang bercetak tebal adalah every day. Every day is the adverbial phrase of frequency. Every day, once in a year, every week, yeah, it is the example of adverb of frequency. Contoh dari keterangan mengenai kekerapan atau keseringan atau frekuensi. We have to consume healthy meals every day. Kita harus mengkonsumsi makanan sehat setiap hari. Okay. Number 5. He went to the big city to find a job. The bold words is to find a job. Kata yang bercetak tebal adalah to find a job. It is the example of adverbial phrase of purpose. Ini contoh dari adverbial phrase untuk adverb of purpose, untuk maksud atau tujuan. Dia pergi ke kota besar untuk mencari pekerjaan. Jadi untuk mencari pekerjaan atau to find a job, it is a purpose. Itu adalah tujuan atau maksud. Okay, I think that you have understood about the example of adverbial phrases in a sentence. Jadi saya kira kamu sudah memahami bagaimana penggunaan, penempatan adverbial phrases dalam sebuah kalimat. Bagaimana contoh-contoh dari adverbial phrases. Masing-masing sudah diberikan contohnya sesuai dengan bentuk-bentuk adverbial phrase yang sudah saya berikan sebelumnya. Oke, how to form adverbial phrases. Bagaimana membentuk adverbial phrases, especially for adverbs of manner. Ini hanya contoh untuk adverbs of manner. Look at the modifier and had. So in adverbial phrases consists of modifier and had for adverbs of manner. Jadi terdiri dari modifier dan had khusus untuk adverbs of manner. And the modifier is adverb of degree. Dan untuk penjelasnya adalah adverb of degree. And then the had atau intinya adalah adverb of manner itu sendiri atau adverb of phrase itu sendiri. Adverb of degree contohnya adalah very, extremely. Kemudian had-nya dari adverb of manner adalah contohnya carefully, slowly. Jadi kita bisa membentuk adverbial phrases dengan menggunakan cara ini. Very carefully, extremely slowly. Ya. Okay, I think it's enough. And I hope you can understand this topic well and do the task on Google Classroom. For your attention, I say thank you and till then.